Assalamualaikum and hi all. In this video, I'm going to explain to you on making and responding clearly and politely to inquiries. Making and responding to inquiries is one of the basic communication among people. So it's common for us to ask for questions or to make inquiries when we are having conversation with people in order to get more information. How do you make an inquiry? You can use polite expression. You need to know how and what to ask by using the WH question. You can also begin with expressions such as can you, could you, will you, would you mind? Talking about the WH questions, number 1, what? What is used to ask about things. For example, what do you think about the matter? Next, where? Where is used to ask about place. For example, where did it occur? After that, who? Who is a question used to ask about a person or people. For example, who is the reason for this? Next question is when. When is used to ask about time. For example, when will the problem be solved? Next, why. Why is used to ask about a reason. For example, why is it happening to the country? Last but not least is how. How is used to ask about manner, the ways or methods of something is done. For example, how do we overcome the problem of deforestation?